Hello friends, I would like to introduce our GPP trailer series. When you're getting a new trailer, please read the user manual because there is lots of information about maintenance and safety points of the trailer. So the first thing you have to do is connect your hydraulic hoses for the jack. So the jack is the white pair. When you have connected the hydraulic jack, you can adjust the height of the towing hitch and connect the tractor to the trailer. So the next step you have to do is connect the air brakes. You start by connecting the red hose. Once the air brake system is connected, please check there is no air leaking from the tractor or the trailer side. So on the sticker on the trailer, you will see the pressure indicator. It shows how much pressure the tires need to be. And there is also a sticker on the tightening force of the wheel nuts. The arrows are indicating if a bolt is getting loose, you will see, and it helps to keep the trailer in top shape. Next step you have to do is connect your Cardan to the tractor. So when you're connecting the Cardan, please check that the protection is not spinning and it's fixed to the tractor and the trailer side. When you're doing the unloading, please check the sticker, because on the sticker it's written what type of rotation your tractor has to push out so the trailer is operating correctly. Every our trailer is equipped with a double safety system. So one component is the slip clutch on the Cardan. The second component is a shear bolt in here. Our trailer has the ability to control the shafts into both sides, so left and right. You do this by changing the angle of the auger extender. So you can do in left, or on the right side. So the grain unloading sequence starts like this. You prepare by extending your auger, then you turn on the PTO. When the PTO is at full speed, you open the shutters. So when you're doing the unloading, the rotation of the Cardan is always constant. So at this variant we have 1000 RPM. When you want to control how much grain is falling through the auger, you control it by closing and opening the shutters a little bit. After every working day, please don't forget to clean the discharge auger from here and from the bottom of the trailer.